तेसा न्यूज करतले रोगडे पत्र पडना तुमगेल्याक
सारकें आं तें रोगड्यात नाल्यार हांव खरें तुका
पडना
पावसां भिजोन भिजोन आमी रावपाचें उदक खाली गळटालें आनी तूं
आनी सगळे
सगळें भिजोन गेले तेन्ना सामकें
हय आनी
I know, I had talked only of the policemen. I know some of the MLAs also have, some advocates also have. The complainant, Mr. Kashinath Shetty, has complained. Let them verify. If they cannot verify, give the matter to the CBI or a neutral agency to verify who are holding Portuguese passport. They need not go to Portugal to verify. They have an office, Portuguese consulate at Alpino. If you go there, you get all the details who has taken passport.
म्हणजे एक प्रोसेस कितें आसता पुर्तुगीज पासपोर्ट करता जाल्यार
That I don't know. There are some agents and some advocates who do it. Some advocates. Yesterday, I think one lady had come to me saying that one advocate had taken some money from her to do a Portuguese passport. She has neither done the Portuguese passport nor returned the money. I think some complaint has gone to Margao Town Police Station. You can verify from that.
पूण एकट्याचें एक्शन जावप सारकें दिसता तुका
It's not fair. That is what I tell you. Whoever done this mistake, everybody has to suffer. Because when you join the police force, we take an oath that we will swear and work for the safety of this country and the state of Goa. So during that period, if you take some nationality of a
Portuguese.
different country, like Portugal or something, it is quite unfair. हे म्हाका जाता हे सब पुलिसांचे नक्षत्र बरी नाही हो म्हयनो हे जाला जून आनी गरमी वाडल्या आनी इन्स्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग एक्शन एगेन्स्ट अदर्स police are being targeted. हिंगाचे मायना कुडतोरींचे 5 जाण ट्रान्सफर जाले सस्पेंड जाले आनी एक 5 जाण police of allegation of taking bribes from Pune has been shunted out. And then yesterday or day yesterday, I have seen that police officers still in service in police department, have taken Portuguese passport and registered their marriage in Portugal. I know this is not a fair thing. I think only one. There are so many officers who have done this. Police should verify why one isolated case of SP Edwin Colasso. I know some people who had taken Portuguese passport, working in the police department, are taking the benefits of the
पुर्तुगीज
Goa government, pensions and other benefits. So if those people have taken Portuguese passport by hiding this thing to the department when they were working, they should forgo all this pensionary benefit to them and take up the matter, your service, or go and work somewhere in Portugal or other countries where there is access to the Portuguese passport.